Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily get this cinematic effect for your videos in the CapCut mobile. So first, just add your video and add to filter. Add the green orange filter that you can find under the movies category. Green orange. Okay, this one, set it to around 70. Okay, now go to adjust and follow the setting. So increase the contrast to 5, find fade, increase it to 10, and add some grain effect to 5. Click on the check icon and you are done. So let's see the before. So this is the before look, and this is with a D effect or filter. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.